What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're here with the Yamaha Bolt. It's a 2019 R-SPEC and we're just gonna do a walk around of all the mods that I have on this bike. First we're gonna start with the exhaust. This is the Bassani radial sweepers. It's a full system. It's basically a straight pipe. Pretty much as loud as you can get for this bike is this pipe right here. I think it was around $750. And it is a full system. It shoots flames. I do not have a tuner on this. This is the SSCES, or it's a blunt force intake. You can see it right there. It's very aggressive. I like the look of it. I think this thing was it's about 450 bucks. But it's very aggressive. The black matches the pipes and it matches the rest of the bike. Like I said, I don't have a tuner on this. I've never had a tuner on this. I'm at about 10,000 miles on this bike. I haven't had any significant issues besides gas mileage. I probably get 70 miles to the tank, not running a tuner. It pops all the time, it crackles, it's very loud. My only complaint is since I don't run a tuner, ever since I got the air intake installed, every now and then when the bike is just starting to run, if I downshift, it will literally, it's more than a backfire. It's like a gunshot at that point. But until I get a tuner, if I get a tuner, that's just what I'm gonna stick with for now. The bike still runs, I don't have any issues. So pipes are great. I've had them for about 8,000 miles. The intake I've had for probably about 1,000 miles now, and I don't have any complaints from either one of them. So next we're gonna go with the Öhlins sticker that I've got. You know, the R-SPEC comes with this shock reservoir. So I just added this Öhlins sticker here. It looks like Öhlins, but it's just really a sticker. And I've got that for both sides of the bike. Next I've got a little sticker here that says, touching this motorcycle will result in serious injury or death. It's just kind of a funny thing that I've got on here. Right here I've got the quad lock phone mount for my phone. It's a pretty simple thing here. I'll go ahead and demonstrate. Basically, back of my phone has that connects right here. And you put the phone in sideways, bear with me. You hear that snap and it's in there. And then to release the phone, the only thing you do, push on that lever, push it down, turn the phone, and it's out. I also went ahead and bought the, I don't really know what it's called. Basically this, it helps with the vibration. There was a lot of people with this phone mount where the vibration of the bike, mostly Harley riders, the vibration actually destroyed their phone's camera. So Quadlock invented this system here where basically when you're riding down the street, the bike is vibrating. It's got three, one on the bottom, one on the side, one right there. And it basically is like its own little suspension system. Right here I got cramp busters. That's a lifesaver. Once you start using it, you don't even notice it's there. We got the flipped mirrors on both sides of the bike. Got the little keychain there. Right here we got Plex Audio. Plex Audio. I have never seen anyone use it when they're not riding a Harley, but I got it installed on the Yamaha Bolt, as you see. So we got the Plex Audio. Then I also got the Rockford Fosgate volume controller. And these are Rockford Fosgate speakers. That alone there was looking close to about $900 on between the speakers and the controller. Somewhere in there. And we got that wired up. I don't have anything different on the front of the bike. There you can see the speakers again and the upside down mirrors. Coming to the left side of the bike, we got a tank bag, excuse me, not a tank bag, swing arm bag. So this here has buckles. Got a buckle there, buckle there. That opens up. Got this little, I don't even know what to call it here. Just snaps up. Then we got some space in there. Great bag. Goes right on the swing arm. Right here I got a charger for the bike. Right here it's kind of tucked away, but I got heated gear. If I ever want to use it, it's plugged in. Again, we got the Olins here. And this is a Willie and Max bag, by the way. And it does fit. You have to take off this, or at least the way that I mounted it. There's basically 3 leather straps here. I mounted one here. I believe one's mounted on the swing arm, and then one is kind of tucked in here. But it works. It fits. No problems with it. It's a pretty nice quality bag. Still got the stock seat on there. And that's pretty much it for the Yamaha Bolt. Again, I think I'm at right around, I just hit 10,000 not too long ago. And it still looks pretty pristine. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want. I do plan on getting another bike. I can make a separate video talking about what that bike is and why I haven't bought the new bike yet. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you guys in the next one.